Bwatia ekiombe GEKORWANIA OBOKURUMI kia EACC nikobono kia mubikire BIARA umukilaka bw'ebunge kaunti ya Nyamira Duke ONYARI asakagere kubwatanirwa n'obukurumi bw'ekibesa shilingi 1,30 ase okweno nogwetenda nobogachibwa magacho amaya y'ebunge kaunti ya Nyamira.
Kaukwana n'abaliki bamang'ana umuteneneri w'ekiombe kio kia EACC orosagia rwa South Nyanza Alfred Machucha nigo atebire buna Duke nigo arachigukigwa bosi bw'ekigambiro ritko lya Alamisi lyeikiyiga asaboria bakagirwa bande hao batarabekwa BIARA wesokya elio baigurerwe amamocho.
Boski si kidogo tu because of the Zoom.
My name is Alfred Machuga. I'm the regional manager of South Nyanza Regional Office of EACC. Today we arrested the clerk of the Nyamira County Assembly, and I would like maybe to give you a background of what actually happened up to what culminated to his arrest today. Now, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission received a report that alleged irregular procurement and award for the construction of an office block to Jetta Building Limited by the County Assembly of Nyamira. So investigations were done, and we had established that the County Government of Nyamira, County Assembly of Nyamira, recommended the award of the tender to the company known as Jetta Builders, which was not the lowest evaluated bidder. This actually amounted to confer 817,396 to Jetta Contractors Limited. Investigations and conclusion of investigations, we forwarded our investigation file to the Director of Public Prosecution, who upon review approved charges on the following persons. One, Mr. Duke Simon ONYARI, who is the clerk of Nyamira County Assembly. Mr. Leonard Kevin Nyamasege, who is the Deputy Clerk, Stroke Director Finance and Accounts. Mr. David Nyarango Ombego, who is the Deputy Clerk, Stroke Director Legal Services. Ms. Joyce Onyengo, who is the Director Monitoring, Evaluation and Development at Nyamira County Assembly. Engineer Josephat Martini Oruru, who is the Chief Officer, Roads and Public Works, Nyamira County Government. Mr. Eric Onguti Ayuka, who is the Infrastructure Officer. And finally, Mr. Simon Ondari Ogecha, Infrastructure Officer. One of the suspects was arrested on 19th March and arraigned in court in Nyamira. The case is MCCGCR number E001 of 2026. Republic versus Duke Simon ONYARI and 7 others. And this was of allegation that they irregularly awarded a tender of what? It was actually the initial tender involved around 367 million for the construction of Nyamira County Assembly. So today, we managed to arrest the clerk who has been on the run. They have gone to several courts seeking anticipatory orders. They have actually been trying to avoid the court process, but as we normally say, serikali na nini?